Hey everyone, it's Paul Ritzler here today, and I'm going to be giving you a lesson on statistics. What I'm basically going to do is I'm going to try to make some math videos to help people and everything who are struggling, and I feel like it is necessary because I really do enjoy math and it's my favorite subject. So anyway, we're going to get started right now. So my lesson today is going to be about mean, median, mode, and range with statistics. So, say if you have a data set, right? So, I'm gonna create my data set. So, now this is going to be a short demonstration. So, my data set is 97686, right? So, say if I want to find the mean, or the average. So basically what I would do is that I would add all these numbers together, these numbers right here. So I put them in order. So 9, 7, 6, 8, 16. So we go 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 6 is 22, 22 plus 8 is 30, then 30 plus 6 is 36. So we add together, we get 36. So, and then your next step to do is to divide by the amount of numbers that are in the data set in order to get your mean, or per se the average. So we have 5 numbers in the data set, so we'd be dividing by 5. So then when we divide by 5, we get 7.2. We get 7.2 as our mean or average. So therefore, when we're looking for the median, so what we do when we're looking for the median is we'd arrange these numbers from least to greatest. So we'd have 6, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And the trick that I usually use in order to help myself to find this is to actually use my fingertips. So what I do is that, like, I start usually from using my both hands, and I like come together with the, when I find like the middle number where it stops, like that's how I find my median. So basically, so this, so it looks like our median would be 7 for this data set. So the median is 7. So let me write this all down back here. So far, so our mean is 7.2, and then our median is 7. So our median is 7. So then now, per se, like if you needed to find the range of this data set, you'd actually simply take the largest number in the data set and you'd subtract it from the smallest number. So the largest number in this data set is 9. So basically we'd take 9 minus 6 would give us 3. So that means that the range of this data set would be 3. So alright, so now our last thing that we need to find is the mode. So basically, whenever you're thinking of mode in statistics, you would actually think of like the number that shows up mostly in this data set. So like whenever you're looking at a data set and you see like a number that shows up more amount of times than any other number in a data set, then that would be your mode. So it's basically, so we have 6 show up the most times, so that means that our mode would be 6. Mode would be 6. Okay, so here is my here's my mean, my median, my range, and my mode. So what I'm going to do is that I have a problem here that's asking Reagan volunteers at the local skating rink. On her last 5 shifts, there were 9 skaters, 6 skaters, 6 skaters, 7 skaters, and 8 skaters, and it's asking us what was the median number of skaters. Well, if you look back, I went and I arranged this data set from least to greatest, and I found out that the median was 7. So, and it's asking us for the median, so the median would be 7 skaters. So type that in, submit it. There we go. So I hope you find this video useful, and pretty soon I might be making more harder stuff about statistics, especially like standard deviation and maybe correlation coefficient. Like I usually do correlation coefficient by hand, but it takes longer, so I might use a calculator. So, but I mean, it's really fun to me, and I just really like this sort of stuff, and I hope to make more videos in the future to help anyone who's struggling out there. So, anyway, you have a good day, and I will talk to you all later. All right, peace.